Hello friends, welcome to another video. Today we are going to discuss about the international travel during the COVID-19 situation, how we can come back India from other country, and also whoever stuck here in India, how they can go back to their own country. I have few information about that to share with you guys. Let's see what are those. So first we will see how we can come back to India from other country. Before looking into that, whoever not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe so that you will get more updates and more informations about the travel and the trips. So whoever stuck in other countries and they wanted to come back to India, they need to check with Indian Embassy. The Indian Embassy are available in all over the countries. They have to contact the Indian Embassy in that country and check about the procedures to follow. So one of my friend had an incident, so I can share that all the countries mostly it's a similar way, but ensure that with your Indian Embassy officials so that you will get clear picture about that. So I'm just giving the heads up in high level, so it will help you to go through the procedures. One of my friend wanted to come back to India, who is working in abroad. Due to this COVID situation, he stuck almost 2 months there. There is lack of facilities due to this situation. So he wanted to come back as part of Vande Bharat mission. So India government has tried to help people who is working and stuck in abroad. So Indian government helped them to come back to India. So he was trying with Indian Embassy that there is any option he can travel back to India, but unfortunately there is no flights Indian Embassy could arrange that time because Indian Airlines is not reaching to that location. So there is a separate private flights they need to arrange. Initially, Indian Embassy has told that they cannot help in the current situation because there is very less people wanted to come back to India. Later, couple of weeks, said that there is around 100 plus of people wanted to come back, so they can arrange a private flight. They asked to pay 1.5 lakhs as a ticket cost. Usually, it was not like 1.5 lakhs. It seems due to this situation, they asked to pay a little more, and it's a private flight as well, right? So he is ready to pay that because he wanted to come back. If he stays there, the other expenses and stuff were more than this. So after the payment, Indian Embassy has given the date. This date there is a flight to India. So he got the flight back to India, and during his journey he was telling that it's good. The embassy officials were helped them. They shared a mask, hand gloves, sanitizers, all that, and the food and everything was quite good. They have helped a lot. And when he reached to Delhi, they have taken him to the hotel, and there is a compulsory 7 days quarantine. It is a paid quarantine again. So after the 7 days quarantine, he can take a flight from Delhi to his place. A few of my friends working in abroad, they came for a vacation to spend time with their family. Now they cannot go back to work because of this COVID-19 situation, and there is no transportation available. Such cases, they are requested to their company for the work from home options, and they are doing the work from home. So India is not welcoming now to take the people from India to outside. So, and it is not allowed from the other countries as well. So in that situation, we need to wait. The flights and transportation should resume to go back to abroad for work. So mainly if you are in outside India and you wanted to come back, you can contact your embassy. They will help you to reach back to India. But if you wanted to go from India to outside, yes, currently there is no option. If you are a foreigner who came to India for a tourism, you stuck in India, in that case your own country can help you to take you from India to your own country. So hope this information helps you. If any of you guys know more information about this, please share us through the comment box. It will help others as well. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe so that you'll get notification about my upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. See you soon on another video. Bye bye.